There's a popular app now called CashApp where you can send and receive money to anyone easily from your phone. Now, this app recently added a new feature known as CashApp Investing. And as the name suggests, you can now invest with the app. Now, in this video, we will look at CashApp Investing and how it compares with other investment apps today. Now guys, just before we get into it, a very quick reminder to give this video a thumbs up so it can get recommended to more people. And if you are new here and you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and here on this channel I talk about money, investing, and personal finance. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Consider subscribing and also turning on notifications so you can get updated whenever I post videos here. And I post a video here every single day. So as you may already know, CashApp is a quick and easy way to send and receive money. Now, CashApp is offering investing, and not just any investing, but investing in fractional shares. So you can use the app and invest in any stock they have listed, like Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Walmart, just to name a few, only for a single dollar. Now, if that doesn't make any sense to you and you can't understand how a stock that's worth hundreds or thousands in the case of Amazon and Google, then let's talk about fractional shares. So fractional shares is when you can purchase a fraction of a stock instead of the entire stock. So as an example, let's say one of Tesla's stock is now worth $900 for argument's sake. Now, traditionally, if you wanted to invest in Tesla, then you'd have to start with $900, which is the cost for one stock. Some companies may not even allow a purchase of a single stock or share, or the broker may require that the minimum purchase amount be 5, 10, 15, 100, or some other amount of shares, right? So right then and there, it would make things really difficult to get started in investing in some companies. So what CashApp Investing will do is that they will slice that share into fractions and give you a slice based on how much you're willing to invest in it. Now, this isn't only for purchasing the shares. If you invest in a stock that yields dividends, then the same applies. When a dividend is paid, you will receive a fraction of the dividends based on what percentage or fraction of the share you own. Now, if you decide that the return is good enough one day and you want to sell fractions of a share or your entire holdings of that share, you can easily do so from the app. So if you have half of a share from Tesla, you can actually sell half of the half that you have and still keep some. So now you may be wondering, what's the difference or how does this help me? Well, if you're new to investing, or let's say you want to invest in a particular stock or set of stocks, but you either can't afford to purchase them because the share prices exceed your investment budget, then this way you can purchase fractional shares with whatever you have to spend. So, for argument's sake again, you think Tesla is a really great company, right? You like what they're doing, and you feel that in 10 years, the stock price is going to be worth double or triple or just much more. So you want to invest, but currently you can't afford to purchase a stock from Tesla for $900. And I know it may not be $900, so don't bash me in the comments. I'm just using that for argument's sake. So with CashApp Investing, you could invest $100 into Tesla and add, let's say, $100 every time you can until you get to owning one full stock or more. Now, luckily with CashApp Investing, the starting amount is very low. You can invest with a single dollar. Now, sure, there are a lot of investment apps, and there are a couple investment apps that I've reviewed on this channel as well, but they never really come with such a low opening price. Now, Acorns, which is another popular investment app, has a minimum of $5 to start, which again is also really low in my opinion. And M1 Finance, just to name another popular one, allows you to invest a minimum of $10, but your first deposit has to be at least $100. Now, CashApp is making it extremely easy for anyone to invest right now, as you can just simply start with one single dollar. So you don't need thousands to invest in Amazon, and you don't need hundreds to invest in Tesla. You can start with a single dollar. Now, if you've never used CashApp, or you have CashApp but you don't have any money in the app, then adding funds is really, really simple. you can go about this in two main ways. Now, the fastest and easiest way is to link your debit card or your credit card to CashApp. Now, that way, whenever you decide to purchase a share or stock, they'll take the funds directly from your card. Now, the second way is by adding your bank account. Now, when you add your bank account the first time, it may take a couple days before you can actually make a transfer, and the transfers may not be real time afterwards. So the debit or credit card is the easiest method for you to go by. Now, of course, if you have really great friends that just have a lot of money laying around in CashApp, you can hit them up and be like, hey, I need some money in my Cash App, and they'll actually just send you a couple $100s, then that method also works too. Now, in the event that you have such friends, be sure to hit me up on Instagram, right? So we can all hang out after this video because, well, I'd like to be friends with them too. So now this all sounds great, and you may now be wondering, at what cost does this low entry fractional shares investing platform come at? So guys, I have good news. It's not going to cost you $99.99 a month or $9.99 a month or even 99 cents a month. The truth is that it comes at no cost really. As it relates to Cash App itself, they charge no brokerage fees and no trading fees. So when and if you sign up and invest $1, you will actually have $1 invested and not what's left back after paying some fees. Now, this is even more of a reason to invest with this app. Now, of course, you may wonder, wait, if this is totally free and there are no fees, how do they make money? Because surely they have to make money to offer an investment brokerage that no doubt has employees that need to be paid and also business costs that need to be paid. So Cash App investing, just like any other investment app, makes money a couple ways. But the main way they make money is from interest earned from money in your balance that is uninvested. So like you would earn interest on money in a savings account, they earn interest on the money that you have in Cash App, but you haven't invested it as yet. Now, you may have just a couple dollars or a few hundred in Cash App, and you're thinking, well, they couldn't make much interest from this money to sustain a business, could they? Well, in 2018, there were 7 million active users on Cash App, and that was 2 years ago. Now, if you don't want to use Cash App for whatever reason, I have some other investment apps that I've reviewed, and you can go and check them out on this channel. So the question now is, should you use Cash App investing? Well, now that really depends. The pros are you can invest with a single dollar and it's free, which is good to use it. Now, they don't have all stocks and ETFs on Cash App investing though. It seems as if they have just the most popular stocks. Now, the only thing I really didn't like about Cash App investing, which for me isn't a big deal because I'm not a day trader, is that you can't do day trades for more than 3 times a week, right? So a day trade is when you buy a stock and then you sell that stock again for a profit. So let's say you bought Tesla at $300 for argument's sake again. And then the same day or the next day it surged to $1,000 and you sold it so you could collect that profit. Now you could only do that 3 times a week for a 5-day period. So if you are planning on doing day trades, then you may be better off with another investment app or platform. Now, the reason why they have this limit, and I'm not 100% sure here, so if you guys have more info on this, comment down below, but Cash App investing doesn't say anywhere where they're trading or when their trading window is. In fact, you can purchase fractional shares anytime during the hours of the stock market, which is about 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. Now, of all other investment apps that I know about and have used that offer fractional share investing, they all have a trading window, and the trading window is when they will put together all the fractions of stocks that people are buying together so as to purchase one stock. So they can't just buy half a stock of Coca-Cola for you, right? They'll have to have 2 people who want half a stock, and then they'll complete the trade and then give each person their share of that one stock. So that's how it works. So I believe there is a trade window, but they just haven't said when it is. And for that reason, they can't allow you to buy and sell every day at any time because again, you can only sell or buy in the trade window. So guys, those are my thoughts on Cash App investing this year. Now, if you'd like to try Cash App investing, then there's a link down below in the description that you can use to sign up for it or join Cash App. Now, I hope this video was good and I was able to provide some value to you guys. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see new videos that I post. And I post videos here every single day. Now, if you've made it to the end of this video, drop a comment down below, share your thoughts with me, and also any questions that you may have about this or any other investment apps. And be sure to also drop a like on this video, as it really helps out here with the YouTube algorithm and getting this video shown to more people. If you're a new subscriber or new viewer here on the channel, be sure to also check out my other videos on high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, ways to make money, and much more. Now, just before you go, I've also left a couple links down below in the description with stuff that you guys can take advantage of, or free stuff that you guys can take advantage of. So be sure to check those out. Links down below in the description. Once again, guys, thank you for tuning into the channel once more, and until tomorrow, adios.